In science, students don't usually struggle because the content is too hard. They struggle because the ideas feel abstract, disconnected, or overwhelming. That's where ChatGPT, used the right way, can act as a science tutor that boosts understanding instead of replacing thinking. Here's how to do it. First, define the role. ChatGPT should not be a search engine or an answer key. You want it to behave like a curious science tutor. You start with this instruction. Act as a science tutor. Ask guiding questions and help me reason through concepts. Do not give final answers. That one line matters. Now, ChatGPT isn't dumping explanations. It's helping students build understanding step by step. Second, set clear boundaries. Science learning falls apart when students memorize without understanding. So you add, help the student explain ideas in their own words, identify misconceptions, and connect concepts. Do not complete assignments or lab conclusions. This keeps the thinking with the student and keeps you policy safe. ChatGPT is now doing what you do during a lab, asking why and how, not doing the work. Third, align it to the task. Instead of students saying, explain photosynthesis, they say, help me understand this process using an everyday example. Or, ask me questions to check if I understand this concept. Or, help me figure out which part of this idea I might be misunderstanding. Now, ChatGPT is reinforcing your instruction, not replacing it. Here's what happens when you put this together. Students stop memorizing definitions. They start explaining processes. They connect cause and effect. They ask better questions. That's scientific thinking. And here's the classroom win. While you're running a lab or supporting a small group, other students aren't stuck. They're clarifying concepts, testing their understanding, and building confidence. That's science support at scale. And notice what never changes. You still design the lesson. You still set the standards. You still assess learning. ChatGPT doesn't teach science. It supports scientific reasoning. Students are already using AI. The difference is whether they use it to copy or whether you teach them to use it to understand. If you want more classroom-safe ways to use ChatGPT to boost learning without burnout, follow for AI tools teachers actually use.